Yo, Cube, you still the only guy who can make anger look chill. Rakim, the godfather of flows? Respect. Yo, man, you still smoother than half the damn industry. Kendrick, you're the only one who makes me rewrite my verses twice. Nas, the poet who made the whole game sharpen their pens. Brooklyn's finest, the one flow nobody on earth can imitate. Alright, time for the man they all came to see. What the shady are you doing here? The goat of soul and struggle. I snap on beats like they owe me blood.
Then I drown the world in truth like a rising flood.